flat-bottomed valley with a river running through it. We'll not see the river here. All we see is the Lochern over to our right hand side, and the river flows from the far end of that. But we will be crossing almost the far east end. Great deal of money. Now obviously the Duke of Montrose wanted his money back, but Rob Roy couldn't afford to pay the money back. So he was classed as a thief, and his wife and children were thrown out of their house and it was burned down. And this led Rob Roy to carry out a blood feud against the Duke of Montrose. This included stealing cows belonging to the Duke of Montrose, simply so that Rob Roy could sell them to get the money to feed his own family. But he was caught in 1722. Sent to prison, spent 5 years in prison, hard labour. Now those 5 years must have affected him quite badly, because when he came out he became a law-abiding citizen for the most part, and eventually passed away at the age of 63 in 1734. Let's say he's buried in Balquhidder with his wife. Loch Lynny. That one flows all the way down to the Atlantic Ocean, passing the small town of Oban on its south side as it does so. So here we go, out over on the Balachoulish Bridge, Loch Leven on our right, Loch Lynny on our left. But Loch Lynny also flows up the way on the other side of these hills in front of us. So we're going to work our way through these hills to the northern part of Loch Lynny. I'll follow this up the side of the loch into Fort William, which I've got to say, Loch Ness has never frozen over. All the lochs in the Great Neck, Loch Lochy, Loch Oich and Loch Ness, they are all freshwater lochs, but Loch Ness here has never frozen over. So I think we are between 15 and 20 minutes now from our main stop of the day. And as we're going further up the loch here, we'll notice that on our left hand side we are starting to get more and more rock appearing, and it's prone to cracking and crumbling. Normally cracks in the summertime, but we then start to get the problems in the winter. When it rains, we get the rainwaters going into those cracks, and as the temperature drops overnight, that water turns to ice, and as it does so, it expands.